Welcome to Parent Guides, a textbook of new science ahead, class 4. Chapter 14, Our Environment. Keywords: 1. Pollution. 2. Biodegradable. 3. Non-biodegradable. 4. Kawadiwala. 5. Compost heap. 6. Soil erosion. 7. Gobar gas. 8. Acid rain. 9. Dysentery. 10. Typhoid. 11. Asthma. 12. Diarrhea. 13. Recycling. Looking back. 1. What do the following things in your environment give you? Think of as many things as you can. Answer. The sun gives us heat, energy, light. Plants, food, medicines, oxygen. Animals, leather, skin, milk, wool, eggs. The earth, shelter, minerals. 2. You bought a sandwich wrapped in a plastic wrap. It turns out to be spoiled. You have to throw away both the sandwich and the plastic wrap. Which one of them is biodegradable waste and which one is non-biodegradable? Answer. Sandwich is biodegradable because it decomposes naturally, and plastic wrap is non-biodegradable because it does not decompose easily. Exercises. A. Multiple choice questions. 1. Which of these is a part of your environment? A. Living things. B. Non-living things. C. Weather. D. All of these. Answer is D. All of these. 2. Soil erosion is caused by the cutting of trees. 3. Acid rain caused by air pollution. 4. Which of these is non-biodegradable? A. Leaf. B. Paper. C. Plastic bag. D. Flower. Answer is C. Plastic bag. 5. Which of these should you avoid doing? A. Plant trees. B. Use cloth bags. C. Use plastic bags. D. Sell waste to a kawadiwala. Answer is C. Use plastic bags. B. Give one word for the following. 1. The living and non-living things that make up the surroundings of a living thing. Environment. 2. The addition of harmful substances to land, air or water. Pollution. 3. The process by which fertile soil is washed away by wind or rain. Soil erosion. 4. Waste that does not rot. Non-biodegradable. 5. Using waste material to make new things. Recycling. C. Fill in the blanks. 1. Trees help to clean the air. 2. Smoke given out by vehicles causes air pollution. 3. Harmful gases mixed with water drops leads to acid rain. 4. Drinking water that is polluted by untreated sewage causes dysentery. 5. A compost heap consists of a pit filled with biodegradable waste left to rot. D. Put each kind of waste in the correct column. How did you sort them? Onion peels, dead plant, old newspaper, plastic bottles, wooden toy, pencil shavings, glass bottles, cotton cloth, stale food, soft drink can, broken bulb, vegetable waste. Biodegradable wastes are onion peels, dead plant, old newspaper, wooden toy, pencil shavings, cotton cloth, stale food, vegetable waste. And non-biodegradable wastes are plastic bottles, glass bottles, soft drink cans, broken bulb. E. Answer the following questions. 1. What things make up your environment? Answer. All the living and non-living things in our surroundings make up the environment. 2. In what ways have humans damaged their environment? Answer. Humans have damaged the environment by 1. Cleaning forests to build cities and farms. 2. Adding harmful substances to land, air and water. 3. Building factories and using vehicles that send out smoke and poisonous gas. 3. What is the difference between biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste? Biodegradable waste. 1. The waste that rot and mix with the soil is called biodegradable waste. Example, food waste, leaves, flower seeds. Non-biodegradable waste. The waste that does not rot and mix with the soil is called non-biodegradable waste. Example, plastic, glass, metal. 4. What is the advantage of recycling paper? Answer. The advantages of recycling paper are 1. The number of trees being cut will reduce. 2. There will be less waste lying around. 5. Mention 3 steps that you can take to help save the environment. Answer. 3 steps I can take to help save the environment are 1. Planting more trees as they will help to clean air. Carrying a cloth bag while shopping to reduce plastic usage. 3. Traveling short distances on foot or bicycle to save fuel. Higher order thinking skills. 1. Explain how factories cause air, water and land pollution. Answer. Factories can cause air, water and land pollution. 1. Air pollution. Factories burn a lot of fuel and send out smoke and poisonous gases which pollutes the air. 2. Water pollution. The waste from factories are dumped into rivers, lakes and oceans that pollute the water. 3. Land pollution. Harmful waste from factories are dumped on land on which germs grow. The harmful substances are also washed into the soil.